come originally from Ayrshire, a wee place called Dalmellington. 3 of my grandparents were Irish, from Sligo, Monaghan and Antrim. When I was finishing university, it was 1972, I heard about the All-Ireland Fleadh. So I toured around and I took in the Fleadh in Listowel, and I was very taken by all the open-air sessions. So that was really what set me off, I think, got me hooked. I taught for 36 years in St Roch's Secondary School. Ceilidhs became very popular and people would come to the classes. And it's got to the stage now where we have 30 tutors who all teach voluntarily in St Roch's. I've got 5 daughters. They all learned the music. We used to go to Ireland with a house in Donegal for many years, and we would get involved in the music over there. So the girls have been playing since they were very young, and they've also been helping with the teaching.
The house has always been filled with music. I think it's been a great upbringing for the girls, being steeped in the music and also going over to Ireland to fleadhs and summer schools. Wonderful memories. I'm delighted that this award is coming to our city. I'm also delighted that my husband is the recipient of this award. But this award isn't just for Frank. This award is for everyone who has gone through the music system in St Roch's.
Bhfuil me se le Frank I dús na hátaidí, nar a thosaim ma héile ag fólam cheol traidisiúnta faoi Frank. Agus sanna ma láthair, té mo níon agus mo gar níon ag tagas faoi Stuart Frank.
Frank McArdle established St Roch's Ceoil Band 45 years ago, and over the past 45 years he's passed on the music and cultural heritage and traditions to generations, and it is because of Frank that we have the traditional music scene that we do have today, and we're all so incredibly grateful to him. And then we have, of course, our children now that we take to music classes. So his legacy just lives on, and it's really a beautiful thing to see Glasgow receives the award, and very fitting that Frank McArdle receives it on our behalf.
I hope that the Gradam will be a boost to the Irish community in Glasgow. I'm absolutely delighted, very surprised as well, because I know just how big it is. Coming from Scotland, it's an exceptional honour to be recognised. We'll have to put up the sorry full up entry at St Roch's next year because there'll be so many trying to get in.